Hi guys, it's me George. Welcome back to our channel review-TrippingMachaanz. We will do an unboxing. This is a purely travel channel. But we will unbox a traveling camera phone. So, we will unboxing it. This is the Redmi Note 7X box. This is a stylish box. Redmi Note 7X main feature is the 48MP camera. Note 7 is the Note 7 is the 48MP camera. 7 Pro is 7S middle phone Redmi Note 7X. This is a Snapdragon 660. 6.3 inch display and 4000 mAh battery. This is made in India, Chinese variant. This is unboxing. First, we have a transparent case. This is our phone, Redmi Note 7X. This cover is charger. This is fast charger, manual normal charger. This is Type-C cable. This is specialty 6.3 inch display. We have a doctor notch. We have a sensor. The main highlight is the 48MP camera. That is the main specialty. That is Note 7 Here we have the specification. Model number is Redmi Note 7X. In the MIU version is 10.3. Pin in the CPU. That is octa-core maximum 2.2 GHz. Pin RAM is 3GB. This is 3GB and 4GB RAM. We use 3GB RAM. Here we have the camera. This is a normal camera. We will take a photo. Lag is direct. We will zoom in. This is a normal camera. This is a 48MP camera. This is true 48MP. That's zoom this camera settings are short video, normal videos, photos, portrait mode, night. This is video stabilization. Here we have a SIM slot. Sada Redmi phone hybrid system use. Here we have a fingerprint. This is fast.
Okay.
അത്യാവശ്യം നല്ല ഫാസ്റ്റാണിത്.